In this video, I'll guide you through how you can import product from Aliexpress to Shopify. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To import product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to click on Apps, then App Settings. Now click on Shopify App Store and search for Zopi. Now you have to click on Install button. Then this gets a pop will appear on your screen and click on Install. This app comes with a 3 days free trial. To enable free trial, you have to click on Get Free Trial and click on Confirm. Now click on Approve. To import product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, you have to click on Add Products. Then you have to copy your Shopify product link. Let's go with this one. Copy the URL and paste it here. Now hit your Enter key. Now click on Push to your store. By following this tutorial, you can easily import Aliexpress product to your Shopify store.